There is perhaps no greater example of international collaboration for an Australian LNG project than Prelude. Currently in construction, this world-first project to liquefy natural gas at sea is bringing together thousands of people across the world. Like here in France, where the cryogenic loading arms were manufactured and tested.
It is effectively the first time where we're running the Prelude LNG loading arm at cryogenic conditions. It is exciting.
The gas must be chilled to minus 162 degrees centigrade, transforming it into liquid form.
Good result. Very happy.
Subsea equipment like the Christmas trees was built in Malaysia. These trees help control the flow of gas from the wellhead to the Prelude facility.
We are pressuring up to 10,000 psi, which is about 300 times the pressure of your car tires. Because it's so big and it's the final test, yes, they still get nervous, never mind how many times you do it.
Prelude's turret, as tall as a 30-storey building, was built in Dubai, then shipped out in modules to South Korea.
Every day when I wake up and I see components this side, you know, I'm struck with awe.
The rain in Spain falls mainly on the chain.
A mooring chain measuring 17 kilometres long, the largest of its kind ever built, was made in Spain.
Chains laid out on the quayside, so in the coming few days we're going to load these chains on board the ship and then they will be off to Batam in Indonesia.
And in South Korea, 14 huge processing modules were loaded one by one onto Prelude's giant hull.
You go over onto the quayside and you see it then coming like the tower block floating through the air. Fantastic. I got the goosebumps again.
At this stage we're about 100 mil off. They'll do the last adjustment, so when we do touch down, that's it, we won't be coming up, and this module will be staying here for the next 25 years or more.
In Queensland, QGC is also driving innovation with a pioneering spirit. Like here on Curtis Island, where the world's first coal seam gas to LNG plant is surpassing expectations. 7 years in development, 4 years in construction. The 2-train plant, regarded as one of the world's most greenhouse gas efficient, is delivering at least 2 cargoes per week. 97% of water extracted with the natural gas is returned to local communities. And drones are being introduced to inspect wells, pipelines and processing facilities. In time, this will reduce the need for trucks, helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft to travel huge distances across often rugged conditions.
Well done, Mr. Lee. Thank you very much. 100%.
Yeah,
100%.
All around the world, innovation and collaboration are helping Shell to reduce costs and increase efficiencies, delivering better outcomes for customers and resource holders, making Australian LNG projects more competitive.
I'm delighted. Absolutely delighted.
Very good.
Couldn't have asked for better, really.